la la la, la la. Oh, 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 la 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 la, la la. If every day is just a dream, then who would I wanna be? Today I think I'll be the queen, flying through a time machine. Oh, my, discover what's deep inside. Oh, my, loving everything I find. La 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 la, la la. Oh, 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 la 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 la, la la. If I woke up in a sky of blue, wondered what I ought to do. Every second there's something so brand new, so happy I'm breaking through. Oh, my, discover what's deep inside. Oh, my, so wonderful being me. La 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 la, la la. Oh, 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 la 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 la, la la.
Hi, I'm Elise for Hamilton Beach. This 4-quart stand mixer is designed for hands-free mixing for a wide variety of foods, ranging from light and airy egg whites to sticky bread dough. A powerful 300-watt motor is great for everyday mixing and can handle thick cookie dough and whipped cream in no time. Planetary mixing action gives complete bowl coverage. The mixing head spins as it rotates completely inside the bowl, giving better mixing than traditional 2-beater stand mixers. This mixing action reduces the need to stop and scrape ingredients from the side of the bowl, saving you time. 7 speeds give you maximum versatility and precise control at every speed. Adding ingredients while preparing a recipe is easy. The head tilts up out of the way for bowl access. Non-slip feet keep the mixer still while in use, and the splatter shield guards against messy drips, drops, and spills. Attachments include a non-stick flat beater, dough hook, and whisk. All attachments, as well as the stainless steel 4-quart mixing bowl, are dishwasher safe for fast cleanup. Mix to your heart's content with the Hamilton Beach Stand Mixer. Now that's good thinking.